this equines. You know equine? What's equine? Equine's horses.
Oh, okay. I went to bed.
I went to bed. Yeah. It's funny.
So how long have you lived here? Which won't even happen because.
Which won't even happen.
Yeah. What is he gonna do?
I have never. I have one time.
Well.
Because I'm off.
I'm excited.
You know, so 8:30 Sunday.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
I'll see you later.
Yeah, see you later Sunday. Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Good.
Because I wouldn't have.
Welcome.
I wouldn't have talked to her. So that gave me energy. Yeah.
Body language, you know. I want something from you. Instead of that, you take your hand, you lift up, you spin, and you go. While you lean back and you talk to her. That's why you need dancing techniques to change your body language in any situation. You lean back.
I can't believe it. I was like, oh, I got surprised.
No, like masculine power, because like she should cross legs. She should be fast, passive. So I'll always use a body language to attract girls. For example, if my shoulders like this, my legs should be wider. You know. Since you're leaning in, always make sure you strafe and a girl is leaning to you. Crack will look better. So you place your hand, yeah, like this, and you talk. Yeah, exactly. Let's see, you know, what we bought. What this is devil. What the devil we have.
Yeah. Find one more dance to practice before we go. Yeah. I want to practice. Pretty smooth. Second dance. I try to dip the girl.
Hey, gym game. Workout for get a drink.
Rest. Eat something.
And jackets.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I have them in Europe. His father, you know, knows police everything, so they... Airbnb, yeah, definitely, yeah. You know, so why not like using Facebook? That's what I'm saying.